Great. So for the video, if you could just say your first name.
My name is Ben.
And how old are you, Ben?
I'm 18.
And how long have you had ME for?
About 7 years.
About 7 years. Okay. So you're trying, about 18 years, 17 years, so that's since you were 11. Okay. And what's it stopped you doing in that time?
Well, I missed secondary school, which is probably not debatable whether or not that was actually a bad thing, but yeah, it's really the main thing I think it's stopped me doing is seeing people. Once you stop seeing people for a while, you forget that you need to, but it's still very damaging to your whole state of being. And also physically, it's been a real pain. Just I haven't been able to do half the things I would like to do. I feel I have to plan everything. It's the main thing. I can't do anything on this burden.
Are you limited in terms of how far you can walk? Or?
Yeah, I would say so.
How far can you walk?
Well, I haven't measured it recently. It's not. In the past, it was more limiting than it has been, perhaps. But I can often push myself quite hard, but then afterwards I'll feel the effects, and it's not a good way to.
Okay. And what are you feeling about the lightning process?
Well, quite positive, I would say, just because. Well, it's different. It's something I haven't heard about anything quite like it before. Obviously, I don't know much about it at the moment.
Okay. What do you think your chances of succeeding and getting well?
I think that's up to me.
Thank you very much. Okay, Ben, it's the third day of the lightning process, and how's it been?
Good.
Yeah. And do you have any anymore?
I wouldn't say so, no. If I do, I won't for much longer.
Okay. And how do you know that?
Because I don't feel like there's anything stopping me from what I want to do.
Okay.
Anything I might want to do, I can organise so that is possible.
Okay. And what would be your advice to anybody who's watching this on the web? Who's got ME and is a bit sceptical or just confused about the whole thing?
I would recommend it, absolutely. I think if you think it will work, then it definitely will. It's always the difficult thing. People always tell you, you shouldn't get your hopes up with this. That seems to be the bad thing, but that's the one thing you really can't do. You have to be absolutely certain that it will work, and then it definitely will. It's nice to have a definite for a change, because there's no others. That's it.
Great. Mum, do you want to say anything? Do you want to be on the cam?
Oh, I can do.
You've been watching the last few days. Anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, just that you feel very helpless when you're the parent of somebody with ME because you really want to do something to help them. And I think actually that's what's happened in the last couple of days. Probably the best thing I ever did was to say, oh, I'll give Phil a ring.
Well, thank you very much. Okay. Anything to add?
Of course, I think it's probably the best thing in the last 7 years that I've done, because it's done something about it.
Well done, you.